Hi guys, I hope that you feel good today. So we will make a easy meal, very fast and very popular. Okay, so sorry, it's my cat again. So you need beef. We will make I don't know in English. In French, it's a bolognese. Maybe it's a bolognese. I'm not sure. It's beef with the tomato and pasta, of course. Always pasta. So you need beef, tomato like this. I don't remember the name. Like usually. Tomato for the sauce, garlic, onion, pasta, and of course cheese for the meal. Okay, let's go. So in first we will cut the onion. I don't know if it's the case in other country, but in France it's like a special day today, like a holiday. You see, I think it's the same in other countries. So we cut. Tell me in comments if it's holidays for you. I think yes. So I have a long weekend, 4 days. I'm very happy. 3 now. No, 4, yes. 4 days. So I'm very happy. When you finish the onion, we will make the garlic. I will make after, it's better. I will prepare the water for the pasta. Okay. Let's go for make the beef. Prepare the onion and beef. I don't know if you see, very good. I try to do like this because when sometimes I use my hands, it's very complicated. So I hope that you see. So the onion. Yeah, you see, very good, it's perfect. You see now. And the garlic. Okay. And now you can add the beef. so I can add the pasta. I just need this for one person, me. And I'm sorry I cut my pasta. Sorry, Italian people. Okay. I prepare this for after. You can add salt and pepper, but personally I'm careful with salt, so I don't use, but it's better with, honestly. And for the beef, okay, it's done, sorry, for the beef. It's very good after 20 minutes. You can add some herbs like this and the cheese.